Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A20s versus a Vivo Y95. Vivo Y95 comes with a Snapdragon 439 versus a Snapdragon 450 on the Samsung Galaxy A20s. So let's get right into it. So starting off by booting both phones up at the same time. And let's see who is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up. Vivo Y95 is faster when it comes to booting up, and Samsung Galaxy A20s is still taking some time, and now it is also done, and you can see about 2 or 4 second difference between these devices. And both phones comes with a 720p IPS LCD display with a water drop notch. So let's see the apps opening speed between these devices. So everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application we have is the phone dialer. That is faster on the Vivo Y95, followed by the A20s. Mic lock, that is again faster on the Vivo Y95. So launching the settings, and that is again little bit faster on the Vivo Y95. So moving on with the calendar, that was about the same on both phones, and you can see very interesting result on both phones. So my files, again that was about the same on both phones. Launching the calculator, and that is again faster on the Vivo Y95, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A20s, and you can see Vivo Y95 comes with a very fast animation. So moving on with some games applications. First we got is the Candy Crush Saga, and 450 versus a 439, and you can see Vivo Y95 with a Snapdragon 439 is faster than the Snapdragon 450 inside the A20s. So launching the Subway Surfer on both phones, and that is faster again on the Vivo Y95. Very huge difference there in this game application. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and again Vivo Y95 is faster when it comes of game apps loading times. And A20s, now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference there, and you can see system based application and games application faster on the Vivo Y95. So last opening up the application, that is called as the camera, and that was about the same on both phones. A20s comes with a ultra wide lens, 8 megapixel. Let me show you, and here is the ultra wide, and you can see give you a very different experience in the camera department. So let's check out the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser versus a Vivo internet browser. So wikipedia.org, same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and that is super duper quick on the Vivo Y95, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A20s, and you can see, and the scrolling is smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the RAM management on both phones. Vivo Y95 comes with a 4 gigs of RAM, while the A20s comes with a 3 gigs of RAM. So that got refresh on the Vivo Y95. Mic lock, and that got refresh on both phones. Settings, that is again refresh on the A20s. Same result. And that got refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser. RAM management is very bad on the A20s, like always in my last videos. Overall, I would say that the app's opening speed, it is faster on the Vivo Y95 when it comes to system based application as well as the game apps loading times. A20s is right behind to the Vivo Y95. RAM mesh band is much better on the Vivo Y95, but it is very bad on the A20s with a 3GB RAM and bad optimization. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A20s versus a Vivo Y95. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.